Sexy Smart of Assault.
At what? Dylan LBZ Duramax?
Yeah. Dylan _ LBZ 30 Max.
Close enough.
Yeah.
Same difference. He drives LBZ, obviously. He tries to be faster than everybody else.
I am faster than everybody else. Anybody want to race? Let's race.
Alright, Jacob, come down here.
Not Jacob.
What are we doing? We're going to get super singles. Yeah, for this truck. You guys are going to love it.
It's bright.
2002 LB7 Duramax.
Yeah.
2002?
2000 slow. Dude, they're in sync.
But I'm thinking,
How did you do that?
But I'm thinking of
They're blinking at the same time.
I'm thinking, oh my god. I'm thinking of a teardrop stack, a 5-inch teardrop stack. I wish I could find like a 7-inch pipe and a 7-inch 90. That's not stupid expensive.
What was that?
The GoPro caught that.
And there's a chip in my windshield now.
Cool. These Chevys are prone to it, dude. I had 2 in one day.
Have you seen the windshield on the Ford?
It's random.
Be like a game show. Like, guess,
How many-
I
guess
guess
the drips
whoever
in 1
guesses
hour.
how many drips per minute it does, we'll just put a little tiny, I don't even know.
Hey, we're good.
How will we do this?
They win something.
No, I know.
We
they're
will
gonna
put a
win
GoPro
something. But what's going to be the
underneath the
gauge?
Cummins, and we will count the drips. And if somebody can count how many, or guess how many drips per hour, they will win something.
Hours? Bro, I can't count that high.
Yeah, I already know how to edit the video, so that it'll be harder. Okay. Yeah. Guess the drips per minute, and whoever's closest, they win a hat or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that Cummins, when it's running, it's like.
Dude, it's just a constant oil change. This is gonna trip it.
It is a constant oil. I've
You never have to change it.
How many quarts of oil do you think you've put in this?
Since I've owned it, I've probably put 40 quarts in.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, every time you leave a parking lot, an oil rig goes up.
I went to Sammy's
They start
work.
drilling.
I went to Sammy's work, and you could see every single parking spot that she's parked in.
Wait, it's marking
Oh,
its territory,
she
dude.
parked there yesterday.
It's marking its territory. The diesel.
Who here can say they're not in debt?
Who wants to donate a 4BT? $24.
Oh yeah.
I would like to put it on a different chassis. Just because when I do some sort of motor swap, I'll be able to hold weight better.
So you're saying Duramax?
Find me one for a good price.
Okay.
There you go, $6,000.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'll trade these for some super singles as they fall on me. Because Travis can't figure it out. You're on video now. You nervous? How many of you guys does it take? Frontline concrete. Sounds good. I'm kind of sad.
It's fine. For better cost.
I know, it'll be cool. I already have this size of wheel on the truck, so. Get over it. Well, there they are. Off a 2015 truck, apparently. Bye, Welds. How many people are gonna hate me for this? It's fine. Back to Salt Lake we go.
Yes, sir.
Stacks. Travis.
What?
Dilly.
What up?
Giant wheel.
Giant wheels as big as my,
Big wheel.
never mind.
Pick up super singles, frontline concrete.
I guess it's from a brand new freaking truck almost.
Like off of a 2015. Super good shape. They've already been polished. Just need a little love.
Little bit more polishing.
A little bit, but they're way better shape than the 24s we bought for the dead side.
Yeah. And then we actually got to pick them.
Yeah, would you
is
let me
pretty
go
sick.
through the Super stoked on that.
Ooh.
Can't wait. Now I just
That
need to
second
find
gen
someone to
is
turn them
clean.
down to 22s.
Dude, I should have started my thing. I should have started my GoPro. I would have caught that second gen. It was so nice.
Where was it? Where was it?
Opposite lane.
Didn't even see it.
It was beautiful.
Now I need to find someone to turn down 2 sets of Aquas. It's fine. Back on our way home. 40-minute drive's not too bad.
Do you have enough room there between your truck and the car? Should only come on the other side.
Well, just roll it over that one.
There you go.
Yeah, just how wide?
15 and a
15
half.
and a half.
Wow. Those are wide. You guys near 14 wide.